Lactational amenorrhea LAM is a temporary birth control method that involves breastfeeding to prevent pregnancy. Women who breastfeed their children have a longer period of amenorrhea and infertility following delivery than women who do not breastfeed. The length of postpartum amenorrhea varies greatly and depends on several factors, including maternal age and variety in the duration and frequency of breastfeeding. Lactational amenorrhea is a natural, short-term birth control method that occurs when a woman who is breastfeeding is not menstruating. It's also known as the lactational amenorrhea method, LAM, or postpartum infertility.
How lactation amenorrhea is used. Number 1. As a contraceptive method, lactational amenorrhea is used as a natural method to prevent pregnancy while a mother is breastfeeding. Through this process, a woman's body acts as a natural contraceptive while breastfeeding because it influences hormonal levels that delay menstruation and lower fertility during this period. Number 2. Use as a temporary and natural method of family planning. LAM is a temporary method of family planning, unlike synthetic contraceptive such as pills or injection. LAM is a natural method that allows the mother's body to prevent pregnancy while strengthening the baby with breast milk. Number 3. Known as the lactational amenorrhea method or LAM. It is a scientific term used to describe the natural ability of a woman's body to prevent pregnancy in the first few months after childbirth through exclusive breastfeeding. And number 4, requirements for effectiveness and example of condition. For lactation amenorrhea method, certain conditions must be met. It will not be effective if these conditions are not followed. Number 5, baby is under 6 months of age. One of the most important conditions for LAM is that the baby must be under 6 months old. During this stage, the body undergoes strong hormonal changes that help suppress fertility. Number 6, exclusive or near-exclusive breastfeeding. The second requirement is that the mothers must be exclusively or almost exclusively breastfeeding. This means the baby should only consume breast milk without formula or solid food, as this promotes hormonal changes in the mother's body that help suppress fertility. And lastly is the absence of menstruation. The third requirement is that the mother must not have had her period since childbirth. If the mother has not yet started menstruating, LAM is more likely to work. Once menstruation returns, lactation amenorrhea method will no longer be as effective, and the mothers will need to use another forms of contraception.
Disadvantages of lactation amenorrhea method or LAM. The advantages of lactation amenorrhea. Number 1, limited effectiveness. LAM only works for up to 6 months postpartum and requires exclusive breastfeeding without any supplements. Number 2, frequent breastfeeding. Required mother must breastfeed consistently every few hours, both day and night, to maintain effectiveness. Short-term contraceptive solution after 6 months of when menstruation returns, another contraceptive method is needed. Additional disadvantages. Number 1, challenges for working. Mothers maintaining the strict breastfeeding schedule can be difficult if separated from the baby, especially for those returning to work. And number 2, high risk of failure. Any slight deviation from the breastfeeding schedule or introducing other foods can increase the risk of pregnancy.
Disadvantage of lactation amenorrhea, only effective within the first 6 months postpartum and under specific conditions. Requirements: consistent and frequency breastfeeding. Lack of long-term contraceptive protection. Most transition to another contraceptive method after 6 months or when menstruation resumes. Additional disadvantage. Potential challenge for working mothers. Difficult to maintain exclusive breastfeeding if separated from baby. Risk of failure if requirements strictly followed. Small deviation is breastfeeding frequency can increase pregnancy risk.
This is the conclusion or summary of lactational amenorrhea or LAM. Lactational amenorrhea or LAM is a natural, short-term birth control method effective when certain conditions are met. It benefits both mother and baby but requires strict following. Key point: LAM works well initially but it's important to switch to another form or birth control after 6 months or when periods return.